In this part, the host presents the idea of solidarity and its importance in making more grounded securities and encouraging cooperation among people and networks. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are investigating the groundbreaking force of solidarity. Go along with us as we dig into the significance of meeting up, embracing variety, and building spans that interface all of us. We should uncover the strength of solidarity in developing a feeling of having a place and advancing fortitude in a world that blossoms with common regard and understanding. 2. The groundwork of unity. This part dives into the fundamental components of solidarity, like regard, compassion, and collaboration, that structure the premise serious areas of strength for amicable connections. Solidarity isn't just about unanimity yet about regarding contrasts, feeling for others' encounters, and cooperating towards shared objectives. It is the establishment on which trust, joint effort, and real associations are assembled. We should investigate the fundamental components that characterize the strength of solidarity and how they add to making a feeling of having a place and local area among different people. 3. Embracing diversity. This part centers around the significance of embracing variety and perceiving the worth of alternate points of view, foundations, and encounters in cultivating solidarity and inclusivity. Embracing variety is indispensable to the texture of solidarity. By praising our disparities and perceiving the one-of-a-kind commitments every individual offers that would be useful, we can establish a more comprehensive and amicable climate where everybody feels esteemed and regarded. We should dig into the magnificence of variety and job in reinforcing the solidarity dilemmas as altogether power for positive change. 4. The effect of solidarity on society. This part investigates what solidarity can have a significant mean for on society, advancing social union, flexibility, and progress even with difficulties and misfortune. The strength of solidarity reaches out past individual connections to envelop the more extensive cultural texture. In the midst of emergency and vulnerability, solidarity fills in as an encouraging sign, strength, and fortitude, permitting networks to meet up, support each other, and defeat impediments by and large. We should look at the extraordinary effect of solidarity on society and how it can motivate positive change and cultivate a feeling of having a place and strengthening for all. Conclusion. The end sums up the vital focal points from the video and underlines the significance of developing solidarity in making an agreeable and comprehensive world for all. As we close our investigation of the strength of solidarity, I urge you to consider the significant effect that solidarity can have in building more grounded connections, cultivating inclusivity, and making a more amicable society. By embracing variety, rehearsing compassion, and cooperating towards shared objectives, we can saddle the force of solidarity to connect partitions and prepare for a more splendid and more associated future. Much thanks to you for going along with us on this edifying excursion. Remain tuned for seriously motivating substance on the extraordinary force of solidarity and coordinated effort.